Today, we're going to talk about the top 3 fruits that have helped millions of people detox their kidneys and avoid dialysis. These powerful fruits can cleanse your kidneys naturally and support overall kidney health. If you want to keep your kidneys in top shape, stick around and learn how these fruits can help you. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are one of the best fruits for kidney health. They're packed with antioxidants, especially proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This reduces the risk of infections and keeps your kidneys functioning well. Cranberries also help in flushing out excess calcium oxalate, a common cause of kidney stones, detoxifying your kidneys naturally. Number 2. Watermelon. Next up, we have watermelon, a great natural diuretic. Watermelon contains a high amount of water and potassium, which help flush out toxins from the kidneys. It encourages the production of urine, which cleanses the kidneys and reduces the risk of kidney stones. The fruit's hydrating effect ensures your kidneys stay free of excess waste, making it a key player in kidney detox. Number 3. Lemon. Lemons are amazing for kidney detox as they are high in citric acid, which prevents kidney stones by binding to calcium and flushing it out. Drinking lemon water also increases urine production, which helps the kidneys remove toxins more effectively. This powerful fruit boosts the body's natural detox process, keeping your kidneys healthy and reducing the chance of developing stones or infections. These 3 fruits, cranberries, watermelon, and lemons, are incredible for detoxing your kidneys and preventing issues that could lead to dialysis. Incorporating them into your diet can have a huge impact on your kidney health. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies.